In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss in cTrader. A stop loss is your automated safety net. It closes a trade if price moves against you, helping limit losses without you needing to watch the screen. In cTrader, setting a stop loss as you place an order is quick, and doing it up front keeps your risk management consistent. Start by opening a new order window. You can press F9 on your keyboard or click the New Order button on the platform. This brings up the order panel where you'll set all the trade details. Next, choose your symbol, decide whether you're going long with buy or short with sell, select your order type, and set your volume. Volume controls how big your position will be. Larger volume means each pip movement has a bigger impact on your profit or loss, so make sure it matches your risk plan. If you're placing a market order, it will execute at the current price. If it's a pending order, it will execute later when price reaches your chosen level. In the order panel, locate the stop loss section, usually labeled SL. By default, it may be inactive. To enable it, tick the box next to stop loss. This tells cTrader to attach a protective exit to your order as soon as it's placed. Now enter your stop loss value. You have two ways to do this. For relative protection, enter the distance in pips from your entry. For example, if you want a 20 pip cushion, type 20. cTrader will place the stop below your entry for a buy order and above your entry for a sell order automatically. This method is fast and consistent if you size stops by a fixed pip distance. For absolute protection, type an exact price level. This is useful when you've identified a technical level on the chart, like below a swing low for a buy or above a swing high for a sell. Double-check that the price you enter makes sense for your trade direction, and be mindful of instrument decimals so you don't place the stop too tight or too far by mistake. If you also want to automate profit taking, set a take profit in the TP section. This mirrors the process for SL and helps you lock in gains without micromanaging the trade. Finally, review your details and click Place Order. Your trade opens with the stop loss already active, giving you protection from the start. That's it. With these steps, you can place a cTrader order and have a stop loss applied immediately, keeping your risk controlled and your process disciplined.